Open your course, complete the practice sessions and quizzes, and then proceed to complete Lesson 6. If you find any problems while completing Lesson 6, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Coding involves 3 steps: writing, executing, and debugging. We have some knowledge of writing and executing the code. In this video, we will learn about debugging. Errors in the code are considered as bugs. First, I'm declaring a equals 5. Declaring another variable b equals hello. I am adding a and b. However, since a is an integer and b is a string, Python will raise a type error during runtime. This is because you cannot directly add number and a string together. The process of resolving errors or fixing bugs is known as debugging. Now, I am debugging the code. Here, the sum of a number value and string value is not supported, right? Now, we are making the sum of 2 string values. Placing 5 between quotation marks makes it a string. It displays the concatenation of A and B strings. Computers will refuse to follow instructions from a human if they contain mistakes. If we write any mistakes in the instructions, computers won't follow them. Code execution is interrupted by bugs. Bugs stop code execution. Computer reads and executes instruction line by line, from top to bottom. The execution of the program will be interrupted at first error encountered. Printing numbers from 1 to 10 using print instruction. Running the code. Observe carefully, here Python executes the code from top to bottom, line by line. After an error is encountered, the computer will stop reading and executing code. Here, I am removing the parenthesis in the first print instruction, resulting in an error. Python stops execution due to error. If your code contains multiple bugs, you need to fix all of them for the code to be executed correctly. To execute the code correctly, you must fix all the bugs in it. Run the program to see what and where the error occurred, and solve the error. Calling the name of the variable that has not been defined is a very common error. Here, removing the variable declarations and calling the variable name results in a name error. Name is not defined. Even experienced programmers get coding errors, or bugs, all the time. Bugs are an expected part of writing code. The trick to being a good code is staying cool when dealing with bugs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching.